Hello there, this is Orange Tree Productions right over here, and right now I'm going to unbox the 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2S. It was bought from a Xiaomi offline store and it retailed for about 29 Singapore dollars. Here are its specs. In case you can't read it, it is a cell capacity of 10,000 mAh at 3.7 volts. Input is micro USB and it has two USB-A ports for you to charge. Inside you'll get the 10,000 mAh power bank itself, a USB cable which I presume is going to be micro USB, and a user manual. It was produced in April 2018 and obviously is made in China. So let's just start with the unboxing. By the way, this was manufactured on behalf of Xiaomi by a company called Zimi Corporation, which is apparently a Mi ecosystem company based in Jiangsu, China. Alright, so inside this we have the user manual in multiple languages, and obviously this is the power bank itself, and we have the complementary micro USB cable. It's made of machined aluminum. And here we have the two USB-A ports, the micro USB port for charging the thing itself, and the power button. 4 LED indicators to indicate how much juice you have left. And some of the specs here, it's 10,000 mAh, and it seems as though this time the engraving is slightly different than compared to what was used in earlier generation of the Mi Power Bank. Okay, so this has been a brief unboxing of the Mi Power Bank 10,000 mAh 2S model. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to stay alerted to all my latest videos.